Today I'm going to be sharing a quick and simple breathing technique with you called Alternate Nostril Breathing. And this is a great way to clear the mind, and it also balances the left and right hemispheres of the brain. So it's really perfect for a time like right now when we can get really in our heads about all that's happening in the world. The technique's very simple and easy. Basically, we're just going to be we're going to breathe in through our nose the whole time, and we're going to be closing off different sides of our nose. Now, typically, you're going to be putting your middle and pointer fingers on your third eye like this during this. I'm going to start by demonstrating without that because it's easier for you all to see. So we'll begin by breathing in through the nose. We're going to block the right nostril with our thumb. So at the top of the breath, we're going to switch over and block the left nostril with our pinky and ring fingers. And exhale through the right side of the nose. Stay here. Inhale through the right. Switch over, out through the left. And that's one round, so we'll continue. In through the left. Switch over. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Switch. Exhale through the left. And that's all there is to it. I typically do that for about a minute or 9 full rounds, whichever feels good for me that day. If I were to have my fingers on the third eye, that's what this looks like. Just a quick demo. So I hope that helps support all of you through this. It's a quick and easy way to just get more present in your body, clear your mind, and find more ease during this difficult time. Ann and I send all of our love and support, and we hope that you all are well.